काय करायचं? काय बोलायचं? हाय. कसे बेबी? हाय. चलो. हाय. बुश. Bush! Bush! Push, 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 push! So I came at my brother's place to meet my nephew. His name is Vivan. Vivan, say hi. Hi. Bol hi. And now I'm going back. I have a lot of work now. Again. Now he thinks he is going to come with me, but soon he is going to get back to his home. And he'll start crying now. And he'll come to know that he is not coming with me. Hi. Bye. See you later. Bye. See you later. तू आ रहा है ना मेरे साथ? चल ऋषि. The flaw of coming to the suburbs is that you don't get any appropriate transportation available. Look at the road. So we got the transportation from the suburbs to the city center. City center is well connected with all the cities, but the suburbs are the worst. So at one point, the road conditions were so harsh that we literally had to take the auto from the footpath. Can you imagine? Okay, now I'm going to show you how I designed the branding guidelines and logo of the company that I'm trying to form. You can see this is how I originally planned before. So this was the logo, Barney and Company, you can see, but this was hand drawn and this I did properly. And so this was my first vision of the company. You can see that I have made some guidelines for the brand. So this is what my logo will actually look like. Barney and Company. This is the shade card for roasting the coffee. This is the shade card for roasting the coffee. This is the square logo. This is the round logo. This is a square business card that I have designed, and this is the sticker that will go on the packet of the coffee. After some time, I will move on. Is what is called as a mock phase, in which I will be doing a mock startup. I will start the production, but it will be on a small scale, not a big scale. I will start a mock, and for that I have to do some basic investments. So let's see how the mock goes, then I'll decide further if we really want to launch the company or not. I'll keep updating. Bye. Let's go, bro. निकलते हैं. It's 7:53 and I'm done with my work. Now let's go home. Now I'm going home, but before that my mom has called me for dinner today, so I'm going there and then I'll go home. Now, as you know that I've started a coffee roasting company, so for that I've been doing some research from past few months, 3 to 4 months I guess, and after that research I did some mocks to how I'm going to sell the coffee that I'm going to roast. I made different types of roasts, and so let's see how it will work. I'm not sure about. I always believe in experiments, and then I work on the outcomes. So at start, what I did was I first Indian company cafe research. Okay, so I first found all the good coffee shops from in my area, and then I went there and I collected some samples. You can see I got all the samples from best coffee shops in my area to understand what kind of coffee people like to drink normally. I'm sweating, I know, because I switched off the fan because of the noise. After that, I did some research in branding. So initially, this is what I decided the color of the branding, but eventually I did some more designs of the stickers for packaging, or this is the square business card that I have designed. This is a square logo, this is a round logo, but after some more thinking, I decided to keep the brand logo and everything in black and white color. So I finalized these types of designs. So this is my branding guideline, and everything, every little minute little thing I have cleared over here. So this will be the square business card. I'll show you everything when these things will come after printing. And so this is social media. This is a shade card for the roasting. This is light roast, medium dark, and dark roast. So every roast has a shade card. According to it, I have to roast the coffee. This is square and round logo, which will also be in black and white color. These are some different samples of the packaging I have decided to make. So these are some different types of packaging. I haven't finalized yet what type of packaging I'll do, but the interesting thing about these packaging is this pack is made from a single paper without cutting it or sticking it to anything. I mean, if you want to open, whenever you will finish the sachets of the coffee, you can use this whole paper. It is just origami. You can see this is just origami, and it takes less than a minute to make this packet. So I've decided to keep it simple, the packaging also, and the black and white color suits this black package. So that is the reason why I decided to keep the package black and white color. So you can see different types of packages I have made. This is also. In the previous videos, I was not telling you anything about the businesses because my registration was yet to complete, and now my registration is completed. So now I can tell you about the business. Also, I haven't decided yet when to launch this product, but I think there will be more 3 to 4 months of research needed for this, and some experiments I have to do, and after that only I'll launch this product. 1, 2, 3, go!
पडतय पोरी कलावबी गोंद्या भीतीमध्ये, कलावबी गोंद्या भीतीमध्ये पोरी एस नाही गो माझे छत्री काल, आई ओळखीचा नाही आई देखीचा नाही, आई कशा जाऊ त्याचे छत्री काल, आई कशा जाऊ त्याचे छत्री काल, प्रेमजीव पाऊस पडतय पोरी कलावबी गोंद्या भीतीमध्ये, पावलू पावलू तुला काय बोलू, एक वार हाय तरी काम चालू, पावलू पावलू तुला काय बोलू, ऐतवार हाय तरी काम चालू, मारगोरी तुझे कामाला, चल जाऊ आपण फिरावला, मारगोरी तुझे कामाला, चल जाऊ आपण फिरावला, पावलू तुला काय बोलू, ऐतवार हाय तरी काम चालू, दर्यावरी आमची डोल होरी, घेऊन माशाच्या डोलीनं आम्ही आहो साथीचे गोरी, न आम्ही आहो साथीचे गोरी, वल्लव रे नकवा वल्लव वल्लव, वल्लव रे नकवा वल्लव वल्लव, देवाची कृपा मावर, कोल्यांना पोसतोय समिंदर, जगतोय आम्ही त्याच्यावर, कोल्यांना पोसतोय समिंदर, देवानं दिलं आम्हाला कौर, पीक दर्याचं रेती मीठ आणि माऊर, आईशी आमची शिडीवर, कोल्यांना पोसतोय समिंदर.